Okay, here we are with Peter Fletcher with Collecting Star Wars, and we've got Leia in her Endor outfit. And here we go from my friend Jim Navas. I don't know if I'm butchering your last name, Jim. But Jim was awesome, has a great collection, and we're on the Badass Star Wars group together, put on by my friend Michael. And here is this cool Leia and Endor. Great packing job, by the way. And from the pictures, I could see that the card was in immaculate condition, and that's what it looks like. So excuse me for fumbling the camera here. And I gotta get this star case. Oh yeah. Oh wow, yeah. And it looks like straight as an arrow. Wow, yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah, liking this a lot. I would, I'm gonna have to look this over a little closer, but from the initial reactions to this would be ready for grading if I wanted to ever send in a grade. My other ones are not as immaculate as this. Sweet. 77 back. Yeah, okay, well, thank you, Jim. This is Peter Fletcher signing off with barely my sixth cool carded figure. Cheers.